Helo, shwmae, a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Helo, shwmae, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. It's our Iaith Yn Y Gwaith series, and this week we are concentrating on useful Welsh phrases to use if you are an apprentice working in gweinyddiaeth business admin. Barod? Ready? Here we go. First, let's introduce ourselves. Prentice ydw I. I'm an apprentice. Dwi'n gweithio yn gweinyddiaeth busnes. I work in business admin. Dwi'n gyfrifol am. I am responsible for. Trefnu'r ffeiliau. Organising the files. Diweddaru'r system. Updating the system. Ateb y ffôn. Answering the phone. Cymryd negeseuon. Taking messages. Mae gennym gyfarfod heddiw. We have a meeting today. Pa amser sy'n addas I chi? What time suits you? There you go, a handful of useful Welsh phrases to use if you're an apprentice in business admin. Save this and follow for more workplace Welsh. Iaith Yn Y Gwaith. See you next week.